Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the 1% course. And I'm the Samuel, as you know. So yeah, basically today is still about the 1% of me. So yeah, my birthday was recently on Friday, the 26th of September, and I can say it's been eventful. But I posted 27 lessons, so I'll just delve into one of them for you on this episode. So yes, stick around and listen. So the first lesson is your currency is your self worth. So what I've learned from that is you need to have values wherever you go in life. You have to value yourself because if you don't know your self worth, you don't know how valuable you can be to others and yourself. Because you're the only person that can stop you from progressing, you know, and not having values, you will eventually stagnate, you know. So yeah, so your currency is your self worth. Yeah, I wrote down 27 lessons by 27. That is what I wanna introduce to you. But yeah, just just to educate some people, like to say, and educate myself also, because we all learning, like they say. Yeah.
Say hello to my little friend. Our first 1% victim.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on TikTok, YouTube, eventually.